What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today we are gonna talk about something different. Today we are gonna talk about how to save money or how to get away from disaster. Yeah, look at these. I have many different Apple AirPods like AirPods 1, AirPods 2, AirPods Pro 2nd generation, and recently I have got another AirPods Pro 2nd generation. Well, all of these started when one of my AirPod has just stopped working. I mean, my first generation Apple AirPods. So it was a bit frustrating for me because there wasn't no way to replace only a single AirPod of these first generation Apple AirPods. So I had to buy a second set of AirPods. I have went for a Apple AirPods 2. Apple AirPods 2nd generation, which supports wireless charging. And I was pretty happy that I have got a new set of AirPods, but I was a bit disappointed that I had to spend a lot of money. And most of my friends were like, okay, please try to find some solution to this. We cannot just buy a new set of AirPods every time there is an issue or something like that. So I have been checking and I have tried many other different options. There are like sellers on some online platforms who sell single AirPods or earbuds to fill the gap. I mean, if you have lost one or if one has stopped working, so you can buy from there, and I have tried those, but the experience were like, wow, awful. None of those actually has performed, and none of those has actually offered any type of satisfaction to me. I was super dissatisfied. So when I have found this website, the InstantPods, where they have clearly written that replace a lost or worn out AirPods so easily, and when I have noticed that it's so cheap, I was like a bit skeptical. So what I have done is I have ordered a first generation AirPod, right AirPod replacement, and it was so cheap that I was worried, will I ever get it? It came to my surprise that I have received the product within 3 days. It was so fast and I was like so excited because the quality of the product when I have got it was like super new. It didn't feel like it was a refurbished product. I have felt like it was a new AirPod that they have sent me, and it has actually worked perfectly well with super crisp and clear sound quality. I mean, original and actual sound quality that we can get from any AirPod, and the battery condition was like extremely well. So I was a bit frustrated then that I have already bought a second generation AirPods. Yeah, if I knew that I could have replaced the one so easily, I wouldn't buy the second generation AirPods. And then I went through the website. I mean, the InstantPods, have checked their return policy, their warranty policy, all the things they have, and have ordered a refurbished set of AirPods Pro 2. When I have received it, I have noticed that there is a sticker on everything. There is a quality control sticker. And this is actually because this company, the InstantPods, they check all the AirPods that they have. They check all the AirPods before they send out. And the checking process is really a very nice one because I have sent some emails to them and I wanted to know how they actually refurbish the product, whether they sanitize the product or not, because these days sanitization is a very important issue. I don't want to have something with some issues. So yeah, after I have done some research and everything, I have got to know that the InstantPods is a certified trustworthy seller selling genuine AirPod replacement parts online with unbeatable price and instant shipping. Every product is fully tested and inspected by a professional expert and comes with 90 days warranty policy. InstantPods also have an eco-friendly trade-in program which lets us transform our used AirPods into something new. The trading program is also very easy. What we have to do is to first place a replacement order on the InstantPods website online, and within 2 working days, InstantPod will send out the replacement. Once we get the product, we need to send out the used AirPods to InstantPods, and after they have received it, they will inspect the product and they will verify the condition, and then they will provide us a trade-in credit. It's not like we can only replace an AirPod. We can even replace the charging case. We can replace one AirPod with one charging case. We can replace 2 AirPods without a charging case, or we can even buy a whole set of refurbished AirPods like I have done. This is really a very good choice for people who don't want to spend a lot for their AirPods or who actually is looking for only a replacement. after I have found this website and after I have bought these products from them, many of my friends actually has went through the process. They have replaced a single earbud. Someone was like, I've lost my left earbud. Someone was like, my right earbud isn't working. And what I'm very happy to see is that after they have got the product, they all are happy and they have thanked me that I have noticed, I have found this website, and we all actually are super satisfied with the performance and the quality. So if you have a set of AirPods with one earbud missing or with one earbud malfunctioning, or maybe the charging case battery is already worn out, it doesn't matter what's the issue. If you really want to get a replacement of any part of any AirPods that Apple has released, whatever the issue, it doesn't matter. If you really want to get a replacement, I think the InstantPods is the first choice at this moment because they offers a very good pricing and it comes with 90 days of warranty and 30 days of return policy. I'm not sure whether there is any other sellers offering such thing like this. I mean, a set of refurbished earbuds with 30 days of return, 90 days of warranty. Wow, that's really would be tough to find. So yeah, kudos to the InstantPods, and if you're really looking for something like this, I have left a link of the website in the description box below. Go ahead, check that. If you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content.